Hello students, hope you all are doing well. In the last video, we learned about the five kingdom classification by Robert Harding Whittaker. In this video, we will be studying about these five kingdoms. We will be studying about the characteristics and different examples of these five kingdoms. So let's start. Let's start with the first kingdom, that is kingdom Monera. Now, all the organisms in kingdom Monera are unicellular and prokaryote. A simple example is when your stomach is upset, you are recommended to eat curd, which helps to increase the healthy bacteria in your stomach. So, curd has bacteria called lactobacilli, which is also included in kingdom Monera. Now, it's not necessary that all the organisms of kingdom Monera are useful. Some can also cause you disease like cholera. Let's learn the characteristics of this group. Now, all the organisms included in kingdom Monera are unicellular. That is, they are made up of only one cell. They can be either autotrophic, who can prepare their own food, or heterotrophic, who cannot prepare their own food. Also, they have a prokaryotic cell, that is, a cell without a distinct nucleus, a cell which is without a well-defined nuclear membrane, and also different cell organelles are absent. Here are the examples of few organisms included from kingdom Monera. You need to remember at least three of them, children. So here we have Clostridium tetani, Vibrio cholerae, Treponema pallidum, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Legionella pneumoniae, Salmonella typhi, Clostridium botulinum, and Staphylococcus aureus. The next kingdom is kingdom Protista. Now, the organisms included in kingdom Protista are also unicellular, but they have a well-defined nuclear membrane, and that is the reason these organisms are eukaryotes. The prokaryotic organisms are single-celled organisms, that is, they are unicellular, made up of one cell. Their nucleus is enclosed in a nuclear membrane. That is the reason why they are not prokaryotic cell and they are eukaryotic cell. They have pseudopodia, hair-like cilia, or flagella for locomotion. Now, pseudopodia is present in amoeba, that is, it is fake legs. Then hair-like cilia, that is in paramecium, and flagella, which is in euglena. So these are present for locomotion, that is for movement. And these are autotrophs. They can be also heterotrophs. Autotrophs, now you know that they can prepare their own food. As they are autotrophs, they have chloroplast as a cell organelle. Chloroplast is present, which helps in photosynthesis, and heterotrophs, which depend on others for their food. Here are the few examples. First is volvox, paramecium. Now, volvox is an autotroph and euglena is also autotroph, whereas paramecium and amoeba are heterotroph. They cannot prepare their own food. Also in amoeba, you can see these are called as the pseudopodias, that is the fake legs. In paramecium, you can find some hair-like projections at the end. These are the cilia, which helps in locomotion. And in euglena, we have flagella, which again helps in locomotion. The next kingdom is kingdom fungi. Now, the fungi or fungus is very common. If you keep a bread or bhakri in moist area, you can find some green and black color spots. Well, it's the fungi. If you will observe under microscope, you will find thread-like structures of fungi. Let's learn the characteristics of fungi now. Now children, here is the structure of fungus. This is how a fungi look under the microscope. So here you can find some hair-like structures. These are the roots. These are called as rhizoids. Then we have these branches. These are called as hyphae. These projections are called as sporangiophores. Then we have the head on the upper part. The lower part of the head is called as apophysis and the upper part is called as columella. The round part is called as sporangium. Inside the sporangium, we have spores. And when the sporangium bursts, the spores are released. And as the spores are dispersed, wherever they will fall from these spores, another fungus starts to grow. Now, these organisms are eukaryotic and heterotrophic. Eukaryotic Eukaryotic are the organisms which are multicellular. They have a well-defined nucleus, and also here they have few cell organelles also. Heterotrophic, which cannot prepare their own food. Some of them are saprotroph. Now, saprotroph means that they feed upon decaying organic matter. Then the cell wall is made up of chitin. Now, chitin is a fibrous substance, children, which is made up of complex sugar. So their cell wall is made up of such sugar which is called as chitin. Examples are aspergillus, baker's yeast, penicillium and mushroom. Now, about penicillium you will be studying in standard 9th. A antibiotic is produced from penicillium, that will be studying in standard 9th. Now children, next kingdom is kingdom Plantae. Now all the plants, whether they are water plants or the plants which are on the land, all are included in kingdom Plantae. But about this we will be studying in standard 9th. You have a separate chapter, that is classification of plant. In standard 9th we will be studying about kingdom Plantae. The fifth kingdom is kingdom Animalia. Now in 8th standard, you don't have a detailed study about kingdom Animalia. We will be studying this in standard 10th, children. So children, this was all about the five kingdom classification which was given by Robert Harding Whittaker. There are five kingdom, that is kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Animalia and kingdom Plantae. I hope you all understood about the five kingdom classification. Thanks for listening, children. Until then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.